Today we are going to discussing about the GATE Engineering Science Food Technology paper 2020. Okay, the question number 1 is the enzyme majorly involved in postmortem degradation of muscles protein is. The right option is B, calpin. The question number 2 is which of the following is correct pair of essential fatty acids. The right option is option B, linoleic acid and linolenic acid. Okay, the question number 3 is Nisin A is produced by. The right option is C. Lactobacillus lactis. Now the question number 4 is which of the following bacteria will stain purple color after gram staining? The right option is A. Bacillus subtilis. Okay. Now the question number 5 is the enzyme system used for removal of glucose from egg white prior to its drying consists of. The right option is A. Glucose oxidase and catalase. Now the question number 6. The incorrect pair of food-borne illness and its causative microorganism is. The right option is B. Peptic ulcer and the bacteria is Bacillus subtilis. The question number 7. Which of the following is commonly used as a preservative in a tomato sauce? The option right is D. It is sodium benzoate. Now question number 8. It is numerical answer type questions. There will be no negative marking. The right answer is for question number 8 is 0.15 to 0.21. For question number 9 is the right answer is 17 to 19. For question number 10, match the protein in column 1 with the food source in column 2. The right option is D. Okay. Now for question number 11, match the carbohydrate in column 1 with corresponding enzyme used for its hydrolysis in column 2. The right answer is A. For question number 12, match the edible oil refining stage in column 1 with its purpose in column 2. The right answer is option D. For question number 13, match the food material in column 1 with its related term in column 2. The right answer is option B. For question number 14, match the component system in column 1 with the peeling method for fruits and vegetable in column 2. The right option is option number C. For question number 15, okay, it is a type of multiple selective, not like multiple selective. Let's start with the question first of all. Which among the given option correctly explain the nature of microbial culture represented by curve 1, 2 and 3 in the following figure? Okay, it is the graph and this is the heating time. It is plotted between heating time and survivors log numbers. Okay, there will be A, B, C, D options. Okay, and the right option is for question number 15. The right option is B. Okay, homogeneous populations, mixed population of heat sensitive and heat resistant microbes, and germination of spores. Okay, now coming with question number 16, match the equation law in column 1 with its application in column 2, and the right answer is for question number 16 is C. Okay, now question number 17, match the absorber used in modified atmosphere packaging and storage in column 1 with the scavenger in column 2, and the right answer is for question number 17 is option A. Okay, now coming with question number 18, during extrusion cooking food materials are generally subjected to a combination of, and the right answer for this question number is option B. Okay, it is high temperature and high shear. Okay, now coming with the numerical answer type questions, there will be no negative marking for numerical answer type questions. For question number 19, the answer is 491 to 495. Okay, for question number 20, the right answer is 63 to 67. For question number 21, the right answer is 49 to 52. For question number 22, the right answer is 11 and 14. 11 to 14. Okay, and thank you very much to watching the series for GATE Engineering Science Food Technology.